Good morning, Bellas. I guess I should videotape this for my page because I've been talking to you guys a long time about this chicken coop that I was going to incorporate into the garden. Or I did say this chicken coop was going to be 10 different places, but this is what I've decided on. It's going to be at the back of the garden. And I got these big pallets about 6 months ago because I saw it on Marketplace, and I saw how he built his chicken coop with it. So that's what I'm going to try. If I don't like it, you know what is going to happen. It's going to get torn down. But for right now, I'm kind of digging the idea. And so what we did is I had the big 2 gates on the back of the garden. So I pulled that down and I kind of split that in half. And then I'm going to tie it in to my side garden and into the back of the back garden. And then I'll probably put another exit back up, but just a smaller exit. But right now, you know, we'll see how it goes. We already have up some markers. We're about to put up the next 4x4. I say we, but I'm just videotaping this. Justin is about to put up the next one, and so we can keep marking our spots. And as we go on, it should be a day-long project. So we'll see if we can get it done in one day.
This backside's out a couple inches further than the front.
So a quick backstory on Justin. He's a perfectionist, unlike me. I would say, Justin, just put it up. And he was like, no, ma'am. We need to ensure that everything is properly plumbed and squared away. And me, I'm just like, okay. But he's a perfectionist, and I love that about him. As you can see, it's going to go towards the garden so the water can run off towards the garden. But I think so far so good, right? Placing a post. You want me to turn the water on?
Yes, ma'am, please. Yep,
I guess it would call this the truss.
Straight.
So those are the trusses, right? That's, yeah, so yeah, that's what we're putting up the trusses now. Marking the positions off. We're at the sidewall. We're gonna put some windows in here. It's gonna be a whole get down, guys. You know, my mind is crazy. I be thinking of different things. This is the 17th design of this chicken coop. We're gonna make it. We're gonna get it right. It's coming along pretty quickly, guys. Can you see it? I think this is like the best $35 I spent ever.
Yeah, really. Where'd you get him from?
Off of Marketplace.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm standing inside of the chicken coop. Okay, so we're at the end of day 1 build. It's still early, but it got hot, so our plan is to only work in the cool of the day. So this is where we are right now, and I'm gonna like show you, I'll walk you through what we've got so far. So this will be the entrance door. As you can see the roof, how we have the roof is gonna be slanted towards the garden, so when it rains, the rain will go towards the garden. I use these pallets. These pallets I bought for like $35, and I bought 4 of them. So that was a good buy for me, I think. So the roof up here. As you can see, I still have some extra windows from the greenhouse. So we're gonna put maybe 3 or 4 windows in here. We just have to figure out how we are gonna do it. And that's the windows just for aesthetics, because we have this big opening over here because it's tying into the garden. So we got it protected on the ground the whole way around. And we're gonna make sure that's done. This portion back here is gonna be kind of like their run area, just to give them some space to run other than their coop area. So this piece right here is roughly the size of the front part of the coop, is roughly like 75 square feet, and this is probably half of that. All right, so we're trying to figure out how we're gonna, I don't know if we're gonna, what we're gonna do up here yet. So everything we do is really, I'm thinking on the fly what I want to do. I am gonna put chicken net in the inside so no one could see this chicken net on the outside. I have the tin roofing right here. I don't know if you can see it, but the tin roofing is down here. So that's how far we got today. Y'all tell me some of the things y'all think I need to put in this chicken coop. Oh, it's roughly like, I'm 5'2", 5'3", I'm gonna say 5'3". So I definitely can fit in here without any problem. So cleaning it out shouldn't be an issue. I know I need to get some nesting boxes. I'm looking at having no more than 6 chickens. I'm thinking that putting a nesting box right here. So tell me what else do you guys think I need to put on here. My son was like, put some steps, put some stuff like that. But I'm gonna be ordering stuff in the next week to add to the chicken coop, you know, because he'll be back on Sunday next Saturday to finish this out. And to close the door of my garden again, the gate. So yeah, and why not show you guys the garden while I'm here. I was sitting there. Look at my dog playing. She loves it. She's sunbathing. So guys, until next time, remember there's healing in the soil. Talk to you later.